got a Mitsubishi dockless unit, and there's a carpenter bee in the way in the middle. And two, this one's running. This is the upstairs unit. This is the downstairs unit. Mitsubishi Mr. Slim system. Variable speed. This is from. When is this from? Looking at it, this is from. Model is. It's a 2.5 ton from. What is this unit? I don't know. I don't know where this unit is from. So one in the back here that's running. There's a Mitsubishi right here. Another one. It's really quiet. I don't know why I can't find that. Okay, this is also 2.5 ton. What year is this? Serial number. I think this is from 2020. This looks like it's from 2020. So I guess we'll save from there. Alright, so yeah. 2020 Mitsubishi. Let's fill the lines here. That one's not warm. It's starting to get cold. Yeah. 2020 Mitsubishi electric Mitsubishi dockless split system units, split system air conditioners, running. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.